Hi Kapips! How are you? Kami ngayon, kasama ko sila Engineer Marcelo, ating mga mining engineer at geologist. And why? At si Ariel, kilala mo siya, staff siya sa bahay. I-meet natin yung partners natin sa Saudi Arabia, yung Built Industrial Corporation and Ladun. So ngayon yung final para dun sa 6-month plan. So strategic plan na. So sa strategic meetings ngayon dun sa Riyadh. So let's go! Bye guys! See you in Riyadh! Dubai muna pala tayo. So see you in Dubai muna. Bye Kapip! Loves you!
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Dubai. We have safely landed at Dubai International Airport. On behalf of the captain and the entire Emirates crew, thank you for flying with us. We wish you a pleasant stay in Dubai and hope to welcome you on board again soon.
Hi Kapips, nandito na tayo ngayon sa Dubai. After 1 hour, yung connecting flight naman natin papuntang Riyadh. So, let's go!
Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain speaking. Welcome to Riyadh, and we've just landed at King Khalid International Airport. We hope you had a comfortable flight with us tonight. We wish you a pleasant stay in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, and welcome to Riyadh.
Hi Kapips, nandito ngayon tayo sa Narcissus Hotel, Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. Ito yung ating team. We're preparing for our meeting tomorrow with Built Industrial, partner natin dito. So, pahinga na tayo mga Kapips. I love you! Hi Kapips! Good morning! Ngayon, papunta tayo sa meeting with the owner of this hotel. So, may mga project siyang interesadong tayo yung gumawa. Tsaka, I'm meeting my good friend, Ambassador Alkayat. Dati siyang ambassador ng Indonesia. Director siya ng Muslim World League. After this, tutuloy kami ng Built Industrial tsaka Ladun to finalize yung 6-month program namin, yung para doon sa aming mining site and yung ibang construction verticals na gagawin natin dito sa Riyadh para kay Crown Prince yung kanyang Vision 2030. So let's go! Good luck to the Philippines!
It is Ahmad Musa. I'm the group chief operation officer for the whole group for the company. Nice meeting you.
It's a nice, it's a